Hello everybody, just giving here a quick status update. I've now switched to Fraps as my screencasting software for in-game stuff, so everything should be recorded at the nice full frame rate here, especially since I have a fast enough machine to do it, but I digress. So at this particular moment in time, I am currently working on the motion and collision detection routines inside Dodgeball for player-to-play field interaction. This is extremely important as the player needs to be able to bump up against walls and not go through them. After that, I will take and start work on the player-to-player interaction for the same thing, and the ball and missile to playfield interaction for the Pong physics. But you'll see what I'm kind of currently struggling with in just a minute. I'd say it's about 70% works, but the edge cases, which you'll see in just a second, haha, edge cases, literally prevent this from working completely. So to start off here, we'll actually go to the bottom of the screen so we can see this effect more effectively. And as you can see, small movements, small bits of velocity, and as you take and go up to speed and hit walls, you'll see that they speed up and then slow down as you go from one bit to another. Now, notice what happened there. I pushed left, and I literally went right smack dab through the playfield. I hit right again, and I went back through it again, which means for a brief moment, my velocity code is somewhat topsy-turvied, and you can see that I did this again, over and over and over again. So I put bounce checking inside the code to check for if the velocity is 0 in either direction, that is 0, 0, and F0 if you're going backwards in the opposite direction, to take and correct for velocity problems. But the bounce checking doesn't seem to work in this case, as it doesn't stop this particular case, which I wrote the code specifically to deal with. So that's what I'm basically working through right now. I'm not doing up or down because up or down exhibits exactly the same characteristics, and right now, since this is happening, it is actually possible to go off the playfield and into the score digits, which is not what we want to happen. So yeah, so this is essentially what I'm working on right now, trying to deal with this, and as soon as I get it actually working, I'll take and post another status update as I start working through the other bits and pieces. Hopefully once I get all the velocity code working right and the collision detection working right, the game will start to reach a playable state fairly quickly. So that's my status update. I hope you all enjoyed, and I want to say thank you to everybody on Atari Age who has been giving me effective updates and the support and encouragement to be able to work on this, as this is essentially a labor of love. You guys are going to be instrumental in helping me not really finish it, but to tweak it to ultimate playability, because I really want this game to play extremely well. Thanks a bunch, guys, and until next time, have fun.